What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here. I woke up late. It's like after 10 o'clock in the morning, and there was this huge sale going on in this house that hadn't been lived in for 2 years. I forgot the battery for my camera, so I parked my car and ran inside to grab the battery. It started an hour and 15 minutes ago. I wanted to go there, and I overslept. I slept in, and it's only 6 minutes away from my house, and like the ad looked awesome. It said pickers galore. House hasn't been lived in for 2 years. So yeah, it sounded really awesome, and the pictures looked really cool. It said wear a mask, get ready to get dirty, because this stuff has not been looked through for years. And that's exactly what I like. So we are driving there right now. Should be there in 5 minutes. Let's go. I believe I see the destination with all these cars out front. Damn.
Your destination is on the left.
I arrived way too late. Holy cow. I arrived really late. Look at all these cars for it. Well, I'm gonna park way back here. I'm gonna walk, and whoops, that's what happens when you oversleep, guys. So I'm sure a lot of good stuff has already been taken, which, you know, that's okay, but we might still be able to find stuff. I look for stuff that other people don't look for, and other people look for things that I don't look for, so nothing wrong with that. Let's pull on up. Now, the ad said they were only allowing, I think, 6 or 8 people in at a time with masks, yada yada yada. Who knows what they're actually doing. Grab that, open this, shut this off, lock this, and let's go, because I want to find some good stuff. It's cash only. I was hoping they would take PayPal or Venmo. I don't have a lot of cash on me. I only have about, I don't know, like 120 bucks or something. So I don't know, we'll see how the prices are. This is a cute little neighborhood. All right, so you can see sold. Wow, if people had bought these chairs already, I can only imagine what was all here. Tables are looking a little bare. It's a creepy Humpty Dumpty. Even this TV is sold? What? All right, let's look upstairs. He said the entire house. What do we got here? You know, the bathroom's always good. You could find some random stuff. Disposable enema. Well, let's see. Okay. It's interesting. Got a few books. I don't know. Nice huge spider web. Cool. Sold. I think that just means this. I doubt that means all the books. I doubt any of those are worth anything though. There's a whole bunch of them. So far, not good, not good. Alright, what do we have here? There's a Vineyard Vines tie. It's actually kind of nice. If I get this for $1, that'd be worth it. Throw that around our neck. Alright, what do we have here? Some $12.99 Goodwill military pants. Cheshire Academy. What's this? Yukon. I live in Connecticut, so you'll always see Yukon stuff here. It doesn't really sell for that much, honestly. I always have a hard time selling Yukon stuff. Nothing. I mean, I might only get the tie if it's $1. I have a few Vineyard Vines ties listed right now that I've marked down to like 10 bucks and they're still not selling. Hello, sir. Okay, let's go check downstairs. All right, there's this trail in the woods that leads to this barn back here. House is right back there. I wonder if there's anything in here. So far, not good. I probably just arrived too late. Oh yeah, this is gonna collapse on me. There's nothing in here. Nothing. That's kind of cool, but no, there's nothing. Here we go. We're in the garage. Now we can go down to this little basement right here. Here we go. Alright. Oh my gosh. Even with my mask on, it's hard to breathe down here. Holy cow. Still not seeing anything. Anything too good. Kind of picking through here and I found this cool fire extinguisher. I looked it up. American La France. Prices are all over the place. This is copper and brass. It's full. It's from 1961. It's really cool. I'm gonna try and get it for $5 or so. Alright, so here we are in the trunk of my car. There's still some sand here from the beach from last week. I got a vacuum, but this is everything I picked up. Not a lot. This is a mask. Got the fire extinguisher right here. It is full, so I have to figure out how to empty that if I want to sell this online. We have this. I found out this tie is from Trinity College, this Vineyard Vines tie. Pretty sweet. Got a bunch of little roosters on there. We got this old thermometer that was hanging in the garage. I just like it. I might just hang it in my garage. It's Burritos Bakery, 56 years, from 1960 in Torrington, Connecticut. Really cool, pretty unique. I like the style of it. It needs to be cleaned up, but I don't know if it would be worth anything online because it's very specific, but I just really like the style. If it's not worth anything, I'm gonna hang it up in my garage. And then I picked up this thing last minute, this vintage Kmart brake fluid bottle. It's filled, so I'm gonna have to empty it, but I just thought this was really cool. I like that old logo on there. And then we got some random coins and stuff that I found. I don't know if they're worth anything. It's 2 ananas, I'm not sure. But it's 1944 India. I doubt it's worth anything. This coin, George King Emperor. What is that from? That's all it says. A bunch of these are just Indian. This is 1945 rupee, India. I doubt they're worth anything. I know rupees aren't really valuable, but they're just kind of cool. And then these Holy Sacrament of Confirmation. Not sure. I just thought they were neat. Guys, I paid $12 for everything, so I mean, I'm in it really at nothing. I wanted to spend $5 on this, $1 on that, so $6. But once we included everything else, it came out to $12, which really is not that bad. I was pretty happy with that. It was originally $10 for everything, and then I grabbed this last second for $2 just because I thought it was cool. It's not worth anything. It'll look cool in the garage, but I'm hoping it's worth something. Who knows? Who knows? So that's what I found. It is still filling in. I mean, cars are coming like crazy. It was pretty packed in there. It was really dirty in there. The mask was actually super helpful because I was able to kind of block out that smell. So I'm glad with this. We're gonna head back to the house. I have a few eBay orders to pick and pack since it's Friday. So I'll just show you guys that as well. Let's go. All right, so I'm over here listing all of these coins right now, just on the countertop. And I listed all of these ananas, I think is what they're called. Not 100% sure, but there's 2 and 1. And I listed the lot of 6 for $15. I listed these guys right here in a lot of 2. These are the Indian rupees. They're quarter rupees. I listed the lot of 2 for $14.99. I just listed these they're religious medals. And I don't know the material, but it is like a metal material. It says Remembrance of the Holy Sacrament of Confirmation. But yeah, they are like a metal. And I'll show you guys real quick. I just finished listing them. This is what I'm going off of. So a similar one sold for $56. Very similar, but then we have this one, which is round like these, but it is different. This one doesn't sell for much. It's the same person selling this one. You could see it over and over and over and over again. So I listed mine, since this one sold for $56, these ones are all selling between, you know, $1 and $5. I listed these for $50 in best offer. I don't think they're gonna sell for that. I'd be happy if I got, I don't know, like $10 free shipping for each one, which is kind of what I'm expecting, but I figured I'd price it high for now, wait a week or two. If I have zero interest, then I'll just lower the price. But it's better to just list high in the beginning and then go low. These don't take up any space, so I don't mind sitting on them for a while. Same thing with these coins, you know, $15 for this lot, $15 for that lot. That's actually about the going rate for these, so those should sell no problem. And then we have this last one that's kind of dirty. Haven't looked it up yet, so we will look it up right now. It is the Southern India 1942. So I'm gonna look that up right now. All right, so this coin is really worth absolutely nothing. There's no point to even list it. I mean, one sold for $1.25, and that's the only one. So I see one listed here for $1.94 with free shipping. So this guy is not worth anything, not even worth my time. I don't want to throw it away. It's kind of cool, but I really don't need it. Maybe I'll just throw it in for free with one of these if somebody buys it. You know what? It'll go for free with that lot. So that's cool. They'll get a little added bonus. And now I gotta just bag these up, put them away. These little clear poly bags, they're smaller than a CD poly bag. I bought them by mistake once because I thought they were CD ones, but they've actually worked really well. I lot up little pins in here, little trinkets and things like that just to keep them all in one place. And then I can just throw them all into a box, which is perfect. So I'm gonna do that now. So originally I thought I sold some stuff overnight on eBay. That's why I was like, oh, I'll come home and pack it. I didn't. I had one offer on something. It was just some cheap little $8 thing. I declined it. They were asking like $4 free shipping. It's something I'm selling for $8 already. Offers shouldn't even be on that, but you know what? I put it on by accident, so it is what it is. I just declined it. It's all good. Now I just have to figure out what to do. I got stuff to do today. I got lots of work to do. I have a whole bunch of controllers here I purchased from GameStop. These ones I listed all up on eBay because they're not on Amazon, weirdly. This is a special edition Call of Duty World War II controller. I got 2 of those, so those went on eBay. This is a hyperspace controller. It has like paint splatter. This is from NBA 2K20, so I listed that on eBay. And then these are on Amazon, but it's restricted. Nobody's allowed to sell it. There's one guy selling these on Amazon for like $120 each. On eBay, they're going closer to like $40, $45, so that's what I listed them for. And then these ones are all ones that I also ordered from GameStop, but I can't sell them on Amazon because they have like replacement parts on them. So this back is supposed to be gold. They put a black one on there. Again, they put a red one on there. This blue one is supposed to be, I think, maybe it's supposed to have a black back, but they put blue on it, or vice versa. I'm not 100% sure. And then this is supposed to be all red, but they put black on it. So these, I think, because I personally don't mind the random color scheme, I might end up keeping these ones and then selling my controllers, because I personally have a gold one right here that I use. I have this crystal one that I use. This one I'm keeping no matter what. My friend gave it to me. It's just an orange controller, but we put decals on it. My gamer tag is on it, which is really cool. See it right there when it lights up? See if I could get it to do that. Yeah. Pretty sweet. It just turned on the PlayStation, so there's that. We also have a puppy for sale. Hello, Soph. Hi, I haven't shown you off in a video in a little while. How are you doing? Hi. Why are you covering your face? She doesn't want to be seen. Do you not want to be shown off on camera? She's just chilling. She's just relaxing. Look at all the hair that I have to vacuum off this couch. I vacuum this couch every single day. She just sheds nonstop. So back to this stuff. I gotta put this all on a shelf downstairs to get it off this countertop. We have some video games here that I ended up purchasing. Some are for me, some are to resell. So pretty sweet about that. And yeah, let's get to work. All right, so I've been down here messing with my shelves of inventory that I have, adjusting prices. So I just redid the prices on all of these figures to make sure I was the complete lowest one on eBay. Did the same with these model planes up here. Did it with that transformer back there. Didn't do it with this because the price has recently tanked. This was selling for like $50, $60, and then Amazon came on and started selling it at $19.99. So the price on eBay has also come down. So I'm just gonna wait that out. I feel like I could still get around 50 if I just wait for Amazon and wait for those lower prices to sell out. If I can't, then I'll just join them and stick it on Amazon, because I've had this listed for probably like 6 months now. Let's just stick that up there. What else did I mess with? I just reorganized this shelf because it was getting a little holy. You can see I'm kind of low on PC games, actually. This is all I got. I got a couple up here, actually. But I mean, I had this full, I had this full, and I had them stacked up. I had a bunch up here. I don't think there's any up here anymore or down there. These were listed on Amazon Merchant, but I got rid of all my Merchant fulfilled listings. I'm going fully FBA again. So these are gonna go in my next Amazon shipment. What else do we got? Anything good? All this stuff's listed. We got some Playboys right there. Some Playboys right there. Oh, there's a PC game. King's Quest. Crushed box, but that could go right there with all the other PC games. I think that's the only other PC game. So yeah, not bad. It's as organized as it's gonna be. I have some clothing up here that I've just been finding lately, so I just put it in these bins. I actually sold off all of my clothing to Greg, the valet picker. He bought a whole bunch of it, and then I actually sold off another huge lot of stuff that I found to another reseller that reached out to me on Instagram. This is stuff I'm left with. This is some stuff that is my size, so I kept it because I'm going to keep some of this, but I haven't gone through it. It's been a long time, and you know what? That's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to go through this stuff. But that's going to be for another video. I'll start filming that video now, so if I'm wearing the same clothes, well, that's why. I don't want this video to be too long. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. It was fun going to an estate sale. Haven't gone to one in a long time. There's not really any other sales this weekend, so where I live, there's just not a lot of them yet. Connecticut is still slowly opening. We are one of the only states where my entire county, all the cities and towns around me only had one case. So it's pretty awesome up here. Everybody's very respectful. Everybody wears their masks. Everybody does all that kind of stuff. So we're lucky up here right now, knock on wood. And yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions at all. Subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School signing out. See ya.